The 5 most effective bodyweight workouts at home. The best at-home workouts are those that don't need lots of equipment or any at all, aside from your own body weight, that is. So for those who are staying at home most of the time due to the pandemic and don't have access to dumbbells, kettlebells, or other exercise tools, we've got you covered. That's what bodyweight exercises like lunges and press-ups are made for, which we will be touching more on that in a little while, so keep watching. Anyway, not only are those exercises doable at home, but they're also some of the most serious and effective bodyweight workouts. So let's get into them. Number 1. Lunges. Lunges improve your balance while also strengthening your coordination and sculpting your lower body muscles. To do it, stand with your right foot forward and your left foot behind about 3 feet apart. Bend your knees to lower your body towards the ground. Put your front knee behind your toes and make sure to lower straight down, not forward. Maintain a strong torso and put your abs in as you push through your front heel and back to the initial position. Number 2. Press-ups. Press-ups are a great exercise to improve your upper body pushing strength. It also works to build muscle mass, strength, and endurance. First off, have your weight supported on your toes and your hands beneath your shoulders while keeping your body straight. Keep your core locked so you can form a straight line between your head, glutes, and heels. Then lower your body until your chest is an inch apart from the ground. From there, drive up by completely extending your arms. Number 3. Mountain climber. This go-to exercise movement works not just your cardio endurance, but also your abdominal and arm strength. To do it, begin with a high plank position. Keep your hands directly underneath your shoulders and your back straight. Without pushing your bottom in the air, engage your core and start bringing one knee towards your chest at a time. It would look like you're running, except you're on your hands and knees. Number 4. Walkout Pushups. Walkouts are amazing for pushing your muscles' endurance while also building your core stability. From a standing position and your feet hip-width apart, bend forward at your hips. With your flat back, walk your hands to get into high plank. Let your hands stay outside your shoulder line to protect your elbows. Keep your back flat and gaze in front of your hands as you lower your chest to the floor. Afterward, imagine pushing the floor away from you as you walk your hands back toward your feet, then standing all the way up. Number 5. Burpees. Burpees activate almost all muscles on your body, resulting in a massive calorie burn. To begin, keep your feet shoulder-width apart and squat until your thighs and floor are parallel to each other. From the bottom of the squat, lay your hands on the floor and kick your legs out into a press-up position. Push up until you have your arms straightened and tuck your legs at the bottom of your squat. Using your heels, drive upwards until you're 6 inches off the ground. Can you do all those exercises? Try them at home when you have time. Tell us about your experience in the comments section below.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.